Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can manage Facebook video notifications. Maybe you want to manage your Facebook video notifications but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage notification from Facebook video. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. To continue, simply tap on your profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, scroll down and you will see Settings and Privacy. Tap on this drop down button. And then in here, you will see the Settings. Tap on Settings. And then in here, under the Preferences, you will see Notifications. Simply tap on these notifications. And you will see in here what notifications you received. In here, you will see the video. So to manage your Facebook video notifications, simply tap on this video. As you can see, these are notifications for when people or pages you follow broadcast a live video. As you can see in here, allow notification on Facebook. You can turn this off by tapping on this button. You can also here see where you receive these notifications. As you can see, we have push, emails, and SMS. If you don't like to receive notification on this platform or in this way, simply tap on this button to turn it off. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage your Facebook video notifications, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage video notification from Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.